If you're wondering how to increase gain in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to make your audio louder, including the safest method for getting a clean, consistent result without distortion. Whether you want a quick volume boost or a permanent change to your recording, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity tutorials. Let's start with the first method, which is track gain. This is the quickest and easiest way to increase volume, and it's also non-destructive, which means it does not permanently change the actual audio waveform. To do this, look at the track header on the left side of your audio track. You'll see a gain slider labeled with a minus sign and a plus sign. Simply drag that slider to the right toward the plus side to raise the volume. This is perfect when you just want to make a track louder during playback without altering the original audio file itself. Now, the important thing to understand is that track gain works like a volume knob. It changes how loud the track sounds, but it doesn't actually redraw the sound wave. That means you can adjust it freely while mixing, and if you ever need to go back, it's easy to change again. This makes it a great first step when you're balancing multiple tracks or just testing how loud your recording should be. If you want a permanent volume increase, the second method is Amplify. This one changes the audio more directly, so it is useful when you want the waveform itself to become louder. First, click the track header to select the audio track you want to edit. Then go up to the Effect menu, hover over Volume and Compression, and click Amplify. A box will appear with an amplification value in decibels, or dB. Type in a positive number if you want to make the track louder. Before you click Apply, pay close attention to the Allow Clipping option. It's very important to keep this unchecked if you want to avoid distortion. Clipping happens when the audio becomes too loud and starts to crackle or break up, so leaving that box unchecked helps protect the quality of your sound. Once your settings look good, click Apply, and Audacity will permanently increase the volume of the selected audio. If you're trying to make your audio as loud as possible without losing quality, the third method is Normalize. This is one of the safest and most reliable ways to increase gain in Audacity, especially when you want a cleaner and more balanced result. To use it, select your track again, then go to Effect, then Volume and Compression, and choose Normalize. In the settings box, set the peak amplitude to -1.0 dB. That gives you a strong, loud result while still leaving a little headroom to prevent unwanted clipping. After that, click Apply. Normalize is especially useful when your recording has uneven loudness, or you want all of your audio to sit at a more consistent level. It helps bring the overall track up to a better volume without pushing it so far that it starts to sound broken or harsh. If you've ever had audio that sounds too quiet even after normalizing, the next thing to try is a compressor. A compressor can bring up the quieter parts of your recording and make the overall sound more even and easier to hear. So to quickly recap, if you want a fast, non-destructive boost, use track gain. If you want a permanent volume change, use Amplify. And if you want the safest, loudest output with good quality, use Normalize. Choosing the right method depends on whether you're mixing, editing, or finalizing your audio. If this video helped you learn how to increase gain in Audacity, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. And if you want more Audacity tips like noise reduction, compression, and better voice recording, be sure to check out the next video as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.